After install all the power cells into the cabinet, then we will connect all the cables. First, the power cable, phase A, B, C, and neutral. Then we will connect for the communication RS-485 and CAN. Then plug in the CT connector and also the power supply for the HMI display. And the last step is to set dip switch to set the address of each module. This is the internal view of the power module. Three-phase line voltage goes through the fuse and the relay, and then go to the inverter board. Inverter board including all the driver for the IGBT, and the IGBT module, and the capacitors. And this is the main control board. Do all the control at the PWM signal. And below the control board is the link board. The link board supply all the control voltage for the power module. This is the front panel of the power module. You can see the display LED light for the relay, alarm, and fault. And this is air inlet for the cooling fan. This is the back view of the power module. This is a connector for all the power cables. This is a connector for the for communication interface. And it's a dip switch for the address of each module. And this is for the CT, the current transducer signal. This is for the digital I/O input and output. This is a wall-mounted type module, and the air inlet is at the bottom of the module. And in the front, you can see the HMI display and indicate light. This is the top view of the wall-mounted module. This is a safety panel, and this is the connector for all the power cables. This is the interface for communication. This is for the CT, for the external CT. This is a dip switch for the address setting. This is for the digital input and output. This connector is for the power supply to supply the DC voltage for the HMI. This is the air outlet. This is outlet. This is on the top of the module. This is the installation panel. Next, we will look at the compensation effect of the APF. You can see this is before the compensation. The left side is a line current spectrum. The right one is a waveform. And this is after compensation. Left side is a spectrum. Right side is a waveform. You can see most of the harmonic has been cancelled by the APF.